Already you know about the sets, but you cannot know what is the definition of set. How can you arrange the elements in the set? What is the common property? What is the definition of set? We don't know. What are the classifications of sets? We don't know. Such things we are going to learn today now. Actually, I am giving. Are you? Please respond only one student. Is it visible to your screen? Now I am
Yes, sir.
open one first page. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, some examples are given here. First, if I ask name the pet animals, what can you give the answer? Cow, cat, dog, ox, ass, horse, etc. are the pet animals. Just have simply written on the paper. Next, if I ask wild animals, you may give the answer tiger, lion, elephant, hippopotamus, fox, etc. When we are discussing about the pet animals, there is no
ఇంకా నీ వాయిస్ మ్యూట్ లో పడ్డది, ఒక్కసారి అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకోండి. అది వేరే పిల్లలు శబ్దం చేస్తున్నారని చేసిన, మీరు ఒక్కసారి అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకొని మాట.
When we are discussing about the wild animals, just we write only, just we mention only tiger, lion, elephant, hippopotamus, and fox, etc. But we cannot mention, we cannot write the cow, cat, and dog as horse. In the same way, if I ask to write the natural numbers, you start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 like that. In one more example I will give you. If I say only animals, you write only animals. In this case, you can write cow, cat, dog, tiger, lion, elephant. Some pet animals and wild animals both will come under this category. Okay. According to our heading, if I want pet animals, I have to mention only cow, cat, and wild animals, tiger, lion, elephant. In this, in second category, first category elements will not come under second category, and second category elements, animals are not come under first pet animals. If I ask to write animals in this category, in this case, total pet animals and wild animals will come under. So, according to our requirement, according to our heading, we are mentioning meaningful. We are arranging the objects in meaningful manner, isn't it? So these type of list or this type of arranging the placing elements into meaningful groups are called sets. Actually, we know the best example for set, the set of textbooks of 10th class. Under this set, what objects will come under the what objects in this set? Telugu, Hindi, English, maths, bioscience, physical science, and social, like that. Okay. According to our definition, according to our condition, according to our property, we have to each and every element, each and every object which are taking in the list or should be definitely obey the property of our common property. Okay. Some more examples are I have written this. I have taken some of the examples. Already we have learned at 9th class and 8th class. Already we are using the numbers from first class, because before coming to the school, we are using the counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, like that. These numbers we know very well about that. These are the natural numbers. Okay. Natural numbers means the collection of n is equal to collection of natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. In the same way, when you discuss about the W, that is our whole numbers, collection of whole numbers. What are the when 0 is added to natural numbers, the total collection of group becomes the whole numbers. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up to infinity. In the same way, collection of integers denoted by Z. In this collection, even negative numbers and odd number, positive numbers, including 0. Okay, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, infinity. There is no starting point and there is no ending point. In the above sets, there is starting point 1 and 0 there, but in the third one, no starting point and no ending point, unlimited set. In the fourth example, fourth set, that is a collection of rational numbers denoted by rational number Q, numbers that can be able to write in the form of P by Q. Those numbers we are able to write in the form of P by Q, where P comma Q belongs to Z. You know that definition, and Q naught is equal to 0. All numbers are called rational numbers. Okay. So we are not discussing the number 3 now, but just taking your examples for set theory. According to all these examples so far discussed, we can conclude the definition of set. A set is a well-defined collection of distinct objects. The set is a collection of well-defined distinct objects. And the objects in a set are called, not only objects, they are also called elements. Actually, usually we take the elements as numbers, but to understand in good manner, sometimes we take the names of elements, animals, pet animals, wild animals, or names of cities like that. Okay. Sets are also enclosing all of its elements in the brackets, in flower brackets. So only one definition we have to remember always before writing the identifying a set, whether the given elements are belongs to the same set or not. Just so definition is very important. What is the definition? Only one line definition is that set is a collection of well-defined distinct objects. Well-defined. Every element must be defined. In the first example, what we have discussed there, we discussed only pet animals. Here, the definition is pet animals. So definition is pet animals means the properties, meaningful common properties, the pet animals. So we have taken only pet animals. In the second example, we discussed only about wild animals. So in the here the definition given to objects are wild animals. So the common property is the wild animals. So common thing is the wild animals. So we are taken only tiger, lion, elephant, hippopotamus, horse, fox like that. So according to the definition, we have to write the elements. According to definition, we can able to write the elements in the limited form or unlimited. We can discuss later about that. But you understand the simply understand that set is the collection of well-defined distinct objects. Here, one term is the distinct. What is distinct? Distinct means different terms. So there is no question of repetition. So far, we have taken 4 to 5 examples. There is no repetition takes place. In later, I will discuss the what is the distinct objects clearly. Okay. Some more example. Set of the first 5 natural numbers. Set of the first 5 natural numbers. Natural numbers are infinity. Actually, natural numbers are infinity. They start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that, and there is no ending point. Up to infinity, we can write the natural numbers. But here, our property is that what is our property? First 5 natural numbers. Only we have to take the first 5 natural numbers. Our definition is only first 5 natural numbers. So you write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First 5 is over. Yes, one more example I have taken here. Second example, the set of the multiples of 5 between 40 and 70. Set of the multiples of 5 between 40 and 70. Multiples means you know the table, fifth table, 5 1 ja 1, 5 5 2 ja 10 like that, 5 3 15. All are the multiples of the 5. Well, there is no end for multiples of 5 also. They start from 5 to infinity, of course. Of course, these more multiples are positive multiples, I am asking. Okay, but one more condition is there. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 numbers are not needed here. First, you observe that. Just you think only multiples we can take the set means it is wrong. Multiples of 5, all multiples are 5, it is wrong. Just we are limited set. The set of the multiples of 5 between 40 and 70. So we have to take the multiples of 5 between greater than 40 and less than 70. After the 40, the multiple of 45 is 45. Next 50, 55, 60 and 65. How many elements are there? How many factors, multiples are there? 5. Just see, this is our required set: 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. Not 75. Even 70 also multiple of 5, but it is not come under our definition. It is not come under common property. Okay. For practice, the page number 30, do this is the, I think you have the textbooks at your place. The first do this page number 30, set of the first 5 positive integers. First 5 positive integers. In the first 5 positive integers also, what are the first 5 positive integers? Actually, integer starts from negative numbers, negative infinity, 0 and up to positive infinity. Okay, infinity. Positive side also infinity. But positive integers means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In other words, the positive integers nothing but natural numbers. Okay, these are also same answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. One more, the third one, set of first 5 cubic numbers. First 5 positive cubic numbers. Okay. Actually, first 5 positive numbers are, what are the first 5 positive numbers as mentioned above? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you take the cube of these numbers. In place of 1, you write 1 cube. In place of 2, 2 cube. 3, in place of 3, 3 cube. Like that, in place of 5, 5 cube. So 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125. Okay. These are set of the first 5 cubic numbers. If you write the set of first 5 cubic numbers in the list of set of first 5 cubic numbers, if you write 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, it is wrong answer. Okay. Just we have to understand the property, what property is mentioned there. According to that property, according to that definition, we have to write the elements, the elements which are taking in the set, each and every element, each and every object. Sometimes we call objects, sometimes it's called elements, whatever may be. Usually we call elements. Every element must follow the definition. Every element must follow the definition, common definition. What is the common definition? Then only we can say that the set is in the right form. Otherwise, this may not be right form. Okay. Now come to 4th page. In order to understand in good manner, the sets are represented in 3 forms. Actually, one form is already without knowing the name of the form, we have written the sets in the roster form. First, of course, first one is roster form, second is set builder form, and third one is Venn diagrams. Okay. Actually, we know how to write the roster form of the sets from 8th and 9th, 10th class also, but we don't know it is the roster form, of course. Generally, sets are denoted by English capital letters. Instead of calling every time a big name with big name, just we can simply represent the sets by capital letters of English letters A, B, C, D, as mentioned in our page 4th. A, B, C, D, E, F, like that. Okay. And its elements, if in some cases we have to write the elements in small letters. So elements may be Elements can be represented in small letters of English A, B, C, D, E. Okay. If you write all the collection of meaningful group elements in a flower bracket by separating with commas, is known as roster form. Already we done that. In earlier we done that. When you, if you want to write all the elements in a flower bracket by separating with commas, such method of writing the sets, such method of writing set is the roster form. It is simply we can say that roster form. For example, set of natural numbers. Set of natural numbers, n is equal. How can you write the set of natural numbers? Set of natural numbers is unlimited set. It is infinite set. So it starts from 1. So you write n is equal, start the flower bracket, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, comma, 6, comma, 7, comma, 8, comma, 9, comma, and so on. So on means we are putting the dots there. If I write the only 9 elements, it is not meaning that n is only 9 elements. It is infinity set. Okay. You understand later, but I'm saying here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, like that. Okay. This is a set of natural numbers. In the same way, Z can also written. Z is equal -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, up to infinity. If I ask set of 5 multiples, 5 number positive multiples, if I ask set A is the 5 multiples, we can write A is equal 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, like that. There is no end for 5 multiples also. Okay. When there is no end, we can put only dots. It means so on. In English, it is called so on. So on means there is no end. The same common property elements come under these multiples. If you write 36 in this set, is it okay? No. How? Our definition, our asking our common property is that we have to write only, we have to mention only multiples of 5. 36 is not the multiple of 5. In the definition, we discussed about the collection of well-defined distinct objects. So far, we have understand, I think, what is the collection of well-defined objects. Now, second property, you have to understand what is the distinct, what is the different. If I ask set of the letters contained in the word school, if I ask the set of letters contained in the word school, if it is denoted by L, what you can write? Some may write the S, C, H, O, L. But here O is repeated twice, but there is no need of taking O in 2 times. Because according to our definition, we have to mention the elements, distinct elements we have to mention. If any letter on any element are repeated twice or thrice or more times, there is no need of mention 3 or 4, say 2 or 3, 4, 5 times, like that. Actually, in the school, how many letters are there? 3 plus 3, 6. Okay. Here, but we have taken the L as only 5 elements, S, C, H, O, L. The double O we have not written there. So this is the property of distinct. Okay. Distinct property is it is. Okay. In the same, I will give the second example also, classmate. What is the classmate? CLASSMATE. Here also, A repeated twice and S also repeated twice. But we have not taken only, we have taken only once. CLASMTE. So 3, 3, 6, 7. The number of elements in B, 7. Instead of 9, we have taken only 7 elements. But in the total letters of the classmate term is 9. But the repeated items, repeated letters or repeated elements should not be taken in the set. I think you may understand the definition and how to write the roster form of a set. Always you remember the collection of well-defined distinct objects is the set. The set theory is a very important concept in the mathematics. It is very useful in your higher classes, intermediate degree, and even your technical education, BTech also. Without understanding the set theory, we cannot understand real analysis and number system also we cannot understand. So very important topic it is. So don't forget this one. And this is also not, don't, it is not only for an examination, in examination, our SS examination also. 4 marks, 1 question, 2 marks, 1 question, 1 mark, 1 question, and half marks, 2.5 questions. 4, 6, 7, totally 9.5, 10 marks will come under this set theory. But easy chapter it is. You can able to revise the chapter in just 1 or 2 hours at the time of your examination. Okay. Now, actually, in the while I am giving the some number system number sets, we have discussed set of natural numbers n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and set of whole numbers 0, minus 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, on, and set of integers minus infinity to minus 4, minus 3, 1, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, up to so on, like that. But in the case of collection of rational numbers, we have mentioned that Q is the numbers can be able to write in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are belongs to Z and Q naught is equal to 0. In this case, we are unable to write, we are unable to list the elements. Not all the elements, even sample of elements can also cannot be listed in the form of roster form. Okay. As we listed sample of elements of natural numbers are listed there, and sample of elements of whole numbers are listed there, sample of elements of even though they are infinity sets, sample of elements are same property are taken there. But in the case of rational numbers, we are unable to write even sample of numbers. So here we needed one more form of the mentioning the set representation of sets. Like that, already they have written in 4th page. The sets can be written represented in 3 forms: roster form, set builder form, Venn diagram. So roster form is unable to write all the sets in roster form. So one more second form is also required, that is set builder form, of course. What is the set builder form? First you write or you read the set builder form definition. When we write a set by defining the elements with a common property, we can say that the set is in the set builder form. In the roster form, just we imagine and we are orally we understand in our mind and of the common property, about in common property, but we have not mentioned the common property there. But we keep in the mind, with keeping in our mind, we have written the elements, we have taken the elements where meaningful group elements are written there. But instead of that, in the set builder form, definitely have to mention what is the common property that we have to write the set builder form in the with mentioning the common property. So I will understand you with some examples. Okay. Suppose A is the suppose A is a set of multiples of 5 less than 30. You understand first. A is the what are the elements? What are the elements of A? Multiples of 5 less than 30. All the elements are multiples of 5, but condition is that less than 30. So what are the elements here? You can simply answer that 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So in roster form, we can write A is equal to 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. That is not come under this set because less than 30 you have to take the elements. Okay. It is a roster form, you know very well. But in set builder form, how can you write? In the A is equal to X, one slash is taken there. This slash is should be read as such that SUUCH such that X is a multiple of 5, isn't it? X is a multiple of 5. Instead of writing 5 elements, just you are writing only in the variable, that is X. Only one variable we are writing here, but we are mentioning that common property. What is X here? X is a multiple of 5 and X less than 30. Multiple of 5, if you leave the two conditions are mentioning here. What is the first condition? X is a multiple of 5. We are not leaving there. And we are also writing X less than 30. If you don't write X less than 30, this set builder form also correct, but it does not mention the above elements. It is infinity set 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 30 up to infinity, of course. That's why we are mentioning X less than 30. Suppose we can also write the set builder form of the above 5 multiples less than 30 in other way also. Just you write something. Sometimes your textbook, in the textbook also, they mention some cases like this. A is equal to X such that X is a multiple of 5. It is the same. And instead of writing X less than 30, we may also write X less than or equal to 25. Here means less than or equal to 25 means including 25. Where X less than 30 means excluding 30. Both are same. Grammatically, both are same, but representation just is changed. Just you by practice, you may understand very well. Okay. Next, now now we are able to define perfectly the set of natural numbers. The set of rational numbers denoted by Q. Q is equal to P by Q such that P comma Q belongs to Z and Q not is equal to 0. P comma Q belongs to Z means P comma and Q are integers and Q not is equal to 0. This is the right form of the representing the rational numbers. One more example I will give you. The set of first 5 cubes. What are the first 5 cubes? What are the first positive 5 numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what are the cubes? 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube, like that. If you represent C with C is equal to 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube. So in set builder form, how can you write this in set builder form? C is equal to X cube such that X is a natural number and X less than 6. Some students may write, sir, in all the time we may write in set builder form is equal to X such that X is a cube of natural numbers, X less than 6. But it is not technically correct. In some cases, you have to mention clearly where X is the variable, X cube also variable. So we can write C is equal to X cube such that X is a natural number and X less than 6. Technically, we can above set can also limited to write C is equal to X cube such that X belongs to N and X less than 6. This is the method of writing the set builder form. In your exam, you will have the questions to write the set builder form into roster form and roster form into set builder form. Each question carries 1 or 2 marks in your exams. So you practice well and you take the examples of textbook, try this, do this, and even exercise also you may practice the questions. Okay. In the textbook, one table as given there, you may that is, let us observe roster form and set builder form of same sets, some sets. Here, to understand the set builder form and roster form, when we are discussing for the set theory, we have to know the even languages or other concepts of the mathematics also. What are the natural numbers? What are the integers? What are the fractions? What are the rational numbers like that? Okay. Roster form. Here, in the first column, roster form, you observe that V is equal to AE, IOU has given there. AE, IOU. What are the AE, IOU? AE, IOU are the vowels of alphabets, of English alphabets. So, we can, how many vowels are there? 5 vowels. So, when we know these given letters are vowels, here, our common property is that vowels. What are the English now? Vowels of the English alphabets. So again, you write the set builder form of this cell. V is equal to X such that V is equal to X such that X is a vowel in the English alphabet. Or we can simply mention X such that X is a vowel